This is number 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Lofka Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns North, Polokwane City North. My brother, how are you?
Good on you. I'm good on you.
I'm good, thank you, man. How do you feel about the game today?
Yeah, I'm feeling disappointed about the game because our coach, he didn't replace us early. If he didn't replace early, we're supposed to get a goal.
It's just one goal, yeah.
It's one goal. So you can't replace at the 18 minutes. The team is gone.
Yeah.
So exactly 70 minutes, you must take some of the good players, put them and change immediately because you can see they're failing to score.
And also the players of Polokwane City, were sitting back, playing a low block. You couldn't penetrate them, so he needed, to make changes.
Yeah, the problem, they were taking the base, so our strikers, even though our midfield, they're supposed to shoot. To shoot than to pass, than to play those passes. They're supposed to shoot. Because remember, when you check about from 18 minutes to 90 minutes, they were shooting. So it shows that if the people get in time, we're supposed to get an early goal. Yes. So even about the referee, take the wrong decision. End of the day, we just draw. But it's fine. One point is fine.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much, my brother. All the best. Have a happy new year and make sure that you are safe in the road.
Okay. Thank you. And enjoy your day.